We are in the street and we'll be asking different people different questions about how they are making their money online. I will advise that you see this video until the end because you are going to learn a lot in this video. If this is what you love to see, I will advise that you like and you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get my videos each time that I upload them. With this being said, let us go into the street. Bye. My name is Sam. What's your name?
OG imagery.
OG
Imagery.
Imagery.
My name is Olumide.
My name is Aisha.
Do you make money online?
Yeah, somewhat. Yeah.
Okay, which application do you use to make money online?
Instagram.
I have a bralette business that I sell online.
All right.
Do you understand? So that's the only
Is it like you are selling on WhatsApp, you post on your
yes,
status
I
and
sell on
everything?
WhatsApp, I sell on Instagram and
I'm a copywriter. I'm a freelance copywriter. So I help online businesses, e-commerce businesses, write marketing materials, emails that they use to publicize their stuff online.
Okay, wow, that is very good. I heard something about email copywriting. Some people use Mailchimp, some people use Get Response, some people use which kind of email do you use for this? Email platform.
There are several CRM platforms that you can use for email marketing. We have ConvertKit, we have Mailchimp, as you said. We have quite a lot of them, but mainly the most popular ones are, of course, Mailchimp. We have ConvertKit, GetResponse, and stuff like that.
Beginner want to join your business, who want to start selling what you're selling online, how do you recommend the person to start? A person wants to use WhatsApp, for example, and he doesn't have contact, like maybe 10 contacts, 15 contacts, 20 contacts. How do such person have massive contact to start selling online and start making sales on?
The stuff we do goes online, goes to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and then people that wants to do business from there can reach out. So I mean, it's a medium of making money for me.
As a business owner, you need to just recognize which platform is more user friendly for you, which platform suits your needs, and most importantly, which platform would produce more result for you. So it varies depending on the kind of business you run, depending on the kind of online business you run. You just need to look at which CRM platform would be the best for your business.
On Instagram, people make money by monetizing their page. You post content on Instagram, and Mark Zuckerberg, he helps you monetize your page, blah blah blah. Yeah, do you do something like this, or you just post your videos, you allow people get in contact with you, and then they'll give you gig on?
it depends because I used to have the this group that I used to join. From there, I'll post my link.
Okay.
So from there are some people that will copy my link. They will post it on their what's it called on the status, and there are some people that like you pay them for an advert. Do you understand? So from there, people are going to started clicking on your link and then add you up.
For a beginner copywriter, somebody who just want to start copywriting, which platform would you recommend? Because I know Get Response collect money per month or per year. A beginner who doesn't have money to start, which platform you advise the person start with?
That's exactly what I do. When it comes to monetizing your craft on platforms like that, you have to have like a good number of followings before all of those things can really work for you. I mean, for people that are just coming up like us, when it comes to followers, we don't really tilt towards that side for now. But when you drop your stuff out there and then people reach out from what they have seen you do, that kind of monetizing, that's what me I do.
All right. When you say you pay them, do you mean like WhatsApp TVs or influencers?
Yes, I pay WhatsApp TVs for an advert.
Well, mainly, if you want to start email copywriting, you would not, just jump to learn how to use this CRM platform. They are pretty easy to use, really. A YouTube video is enough for that. But I think for someone who just wants to start learning how to make money online, or most importantly, how to start email copywriting, the main thing for you is to go on YouTube, search for videos of what is email copywriting, how do people make money from that, and then a few weeks you can begin to reach out to businesses, online businesses, through cold emailing or cold DM on Instagram. Introduce yourself. Of course, it will take a while for you to get a response. You get ghosted, but soon enough, if you keep at it, you'll get a potential client, and you'll be able to produce enough result for the person to pay you.
If you want to pay WhatsApp TV, how much do you think they will start collecting?
It varies, like 1.5, 2.5, sometimes 3,000, depend on how many contacts
Yeah.
the WhatsApp TV have.
And surely you will see results when you pay these
Yes,
people.
yes, I do receive a lot of massive results.
All right, all right. Thank you, Miss Aisha. Thank
Yeah.
you for your time. All right, guys, we've been here for like 3 hours, and trust me, a little people know how to make money online. I've been asking them, and some of them don't even know how to make money online. And there are a few people who know how to make money online, and there are others who are very shy of the camera. They don't want to be interviewed. But all in all, we have been able to guarantee the fact that there is money online, and if you start today, you can start making money online today. The world is now a global village, and whatever you do online, you can always make money online. See you next time. Goodbye.